Welcome to a new video.
Are you tired of expensive AI tools that promise a lot but deliver little? What if I told you the best ones out there are actually free? Let me show you 5 free AI tools in 2025 that will blow your mind and boost your productivity. Number 1, Notion. AI Notion isn't just a notes app anymore. Its AI can write blogs, summarize meetings, brainstorm ideas, and even fix your grammar. It's perfect for students, writers, and creators. Number 2, Perplexity AI. Think of it like Google, but with brainpower. Ask it anything, and it gives you an answer with sources, citations, and no fluff. It's a real lifesaver for research. Number 3, Leonardo AI Love AI Art. This tool is the ultimate mid-journey alternative, completely free. Create stunning game assets, character portraits, or concept designs in seconds. Number 4, Rask.ai want to make your videos go viral globally. Rask.ai adds subtitles and voice dubbing in multiple languages automatically. One video, 10 countries, zero effort. And number 5, Taskade planning your day, building a team project. Taskade uses AI to turn simple ideas into full task lists and calendars. It's like having a project manager in your pocket. These tools don't just save time, they make you superhuman. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools that actually work.
Make sure to follow for more such content.